We're at the early stages of rehab here as well. Garage is taking a little longer. We tore it down. We have plans to pour next week, so there's going to be a brand new garage here. We found over the last few months garages are a little challenging building them. Just the city's taking a little while, but this will have a brand new garage. Typically in the suburbs, we won't leave a house without a garage. We believe to get a good quality tenant, long-term tenant, something like a garage is almost mandatory.